Have you ever noticed positive delta G value in your molecular docking? Let's understand what it means and what is the reason behind it. Let's first begin with understanding what is delta G and what it represents. In molecular docking, delta G is a binding free energy which estimates how favorable the interaction between a ligand and a receptor. The negative delta G represent favorable binding, that is spontaneous interaction, whereas positive delta G refers to unfavorable binding. So a positive delta G value signifies that ligand does not bind stably to the receptor under the simulated condition and the complex formation is thermodynamically unfavorable. Now let's try to understand the prime reason for positive delta G value. It could be because of poor ligand receptor complementarity. Mismatch in shape or electrostatic prevents the proper fit within the binding pocket. The another reason could be unfavorable dissolution or entropy effect. Energy required to remove water molecule or reorganizes the system exceed the binding gain. The another reason is electrostatic repulsion. Sometimes ligands and active sites carry similar charges leading to repulsive interaction. The another reasons could be steric classes. Overlapping van der Waals surfaces or bulky group prevents optimal orientation. Beside these, absence of key interaction, missing hydrogen bond, pi-pi stacking or salt bridges reduces the stabilizing energy. Even the incorrect docking grid or pose orientations, grid misplacement or poor essential pose sampling can lead to artificial high energy result. And lastly, force field or scoring function limitation. Approximation error in empirical scoring function may also yield inaccurate delta G predictions. Thus, a positive delta G means the ligand is unlikely to bind under physiological condition. The interaction is energetically unfavorable. In contrast, lower or more negative delta G values indicate stronger and more stable binding affinity. I hope you have liked the session. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and do share these information among your scientific endeavors.